What's up, guys? We're back again. Let's try. Well, this section is going to be more multi-step equations. Multi-step equations, practice problems. Let's try an example. Here we go. 3 onto x minus 2 plus 2x equals 4 onto 2x plus 3. Okay, so let's begin. We have a 3 and parentheses, so we need to distribute. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times a negative 2 is a negative 6. Now, this positive 2x is all by itself, so bring it down. So plus 2x, bring down the equal sign, and then over here, we have the 4 outside the parentheses, so we distribute. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times a positive 3 is a positive 12. Now we can start to combine like terms. We have a 3x, a number, and another x, a positive 2x. So we can combine 3x with a positive 2x. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Bring down the minus 6, bring down the equal sign, and bring down everything else because we still haven't used it yet. Now, we have x's on both sides of the equal sign. Remember, me personally, I would get rid of the smallest x. I have a 5x and an 8x. I'm going to get rid of the 5x. It's positive right now, so I need to put minus 5x. I can't put a plus because 5 plus 5 would be 10. I want to cancel it out. That's the whole point. Goes away to 0. Bring down the 6. Not a 6, a minus 6. Remember, don't forget the minus. So it's a negative 6 there, equals minus 5x. Remember, the x has to go with the x. 8x minus 5x is 3x. Bring down the positive 12. Now we have x all over here. Want to get it by itself, so subtract 12, subtract the 12. 12 minus 12 goes away. 3x equals negative 6 minus 12 is a negative 18. Now we need to get rid of this 3, so we divide by 3, and that's a big 1. Divide by 3. Negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6 equals x. So x is negative 6. Okay, so let's say now we don't actually have an actual number problem, we have a word problem. 2 times the difference of a number decreased by 5 is 14. What is that number? So let's see. 2 means 2. Times means we're going to have to multiply. So I'm going to put parentheses, multiplication. Difference means subtraction. So we're going to have we're subtracting something. I'm not sure what we're subtracting yet. The difference of a number and 5 is 14. So we're going to have this, and then is means equals, and then 14. So the difference of a number, we usually call that x, and 5. There we go. Now we have 2 onto x minus 5 equals 14. Then we just work it out. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times a negative 5 is a negative 10. And bring the equals 14 with you. Get rid of the negative 10 by adding it. That goes away. 2x equals 14 plus 10 is 24. Gotta divide by 2 to make this a big 1. Divide that by 2. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. So x equals 12. Alrighty. I know the word problem's a little tough, so we're going to go over another one. This one says 5 times the difference of a number subtracted from 10 is 40. What's a number? Okay, so 5 times the difference of a number subtracted, or subtracting again, subtraction, is means equals 40. Okay. So a number subtracted from 10. A number subtracted from 10. So I know you may want to put x minus 10, but that's wrong. Because whatever number we put here, it's minus 10. We're subtracting 10 from that number. So it's the other way around. It's going to be 10 minus x. Why? Because the number x is being subtracted from 10. 10 minus that x. Now we can work this out. 5 times 10, 50. 5 times a negative x. If you're not sure, don't forget there's a little 1 here. 1. 5 times negative 1 is a negative 5. Bring the x with you. Bring the equals and bring down the 40. Now, x is right here all by itself. Leave the x alone. Move this 50. Minus 50. You cannot put plus 50 because 50 plus 50 is 100. Minus 50. 50 minus 50 goes away to 0. Bring down the minus 5x, negative 5x, don't forget the minus sign, equals 40 minus 50 is negative 10. Now, you gotta divide by a negative 5. Not just 5, a negative 5, because negative 5 over negative 5 gives you your big 1. Divide this by negative 5. X equals negative 10 divided by a negative 5 is a positive 2. X equals 2. And remember, you can always go back up here and put 2 in here and check it if we need to. Alrighty. Now on to your work. The work you have to do is called Math Detective. I'm going to help you with 2 of them. Which 2? I don't know. Figure it out. Example. X plus 3 plus 2x minus 5 equals 10. There's a whole lot of x's going on here. Don't forget there's a little 1 here, a 1 here. So I have an x, a positive 1x, that's a number I don't want it right now, and I have a positive 2x, and this is a number, negative 5, I'll use it later. So 1x plus 1x, 1 plus 1 is 2, so right now this is 2x. I still need other 2x. 2x plus this 2x gives me a 4x. And I can bring down the positive 3, bring down the minus 5 equals 10. Now you could have done the extra step here, but I'm taking an extra step just so you all see this. So it's 4x. Now I have a positive 3, positive 3 minus 5. So it's 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 equals 10. Then we put plus 2 to get rid of it. So you can get x all by itself. Negative 2 plus 2 goes to 0. 4x equals 10 plus 2 is 12. Divide by 4 to get the big 1 there. Divide by 4. 12 divided by 4. X equals 3. Alrighty, one more example. Let me erase this. This is something else. Erase. Okay, one more example. Let's see. Okay. 17 plus x minus 4x equals negative 4. Remember, there's no other number here, so I'm bringing down the 17. There's no numbers here. Now, there's a 1 right here. 1. So positive 1x minus 4x. Positive 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is a negative 3x. Bring down the equals, bring down the negative 4. Now x is here. There's a number here. Take the 17 to the other side. You cannot put plus 17 because 17 plus 17 is 34. 17 minus 17 cancels, which is good. Negative 3x equals minus 17 over here, forgot. Negative 4 minus 17 is a negative 21. Divide by a negative 3, divide by a negative 3. That way this is 1, big 1. X equals. A negative over negative is positive, so we know it's going to be a positive number. 21 divided by 3 is 7. x equals 7. Thanks, guys.